What's up, guys? This is Blaze here. Going to show you a quick video here on how to fix the issue with the 2006 and up Xterra clicking right when you turn the car on. Let's see if we can get it to do it here. Alright, that's the noise we were looking for. So what you'll notice is if you have this issue, you can actually make it go away by hitting the recirculate button, and you'll also notice that it tends to go out right when the passenger airbag light goes out. So there's nothing to worry about. There's nothing actually related to the airbag happening here. What's happening is that the door for the recirculate is trying to close a little further than it needs to. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you guys how to fix that. First step is to take the glove box off, which is not going to show you a video on how to do it. It's really easy to do. You just gotta squeeze the glove box together on each side, and then undo the little string that attaches right here. That's on this white piece right here. All right, so now I'm going to show you guys what this flap looks like, because nobody seems to have posted a picture. So this is the door right here for the cabin filter. You do need to remove that. There's just one screw for that piece. I'm going to show you guys what that looks like here. That's this piece right here. So you got to undo that and take your filters out. That's this guy right here. All right, now we're going to put the flashlight in here, and I'm going to hit the button for the recirculate so you know what I'm looking at here. So let's set this down. Hard to do it all with one hand. Let's get you a view of what's happening here. All right, so I'm going to hit the button for the recirculate now, and you're going to see a door move. See that door open? So that's me hitting the recirculate, and this is me bringing the recirculate back down, and that's what's actually clicking. You can put your finger right up against that door, and you can feel that door trying to close further than it's supposed to, and that's what your recirculate or your noise is when you turn your truck on. Show you one more time. Alright, so I'm going to hit stop now, and I'm going to fix that, and I'm going to do another video. Alright guys, just want to show you what the solution was here for that clicker noise. I tried pushing on the flapper door with the long 3/8 socket extension that some people suggested, but it didn't quite do it for me. I tried a couple times. So the way I ended up solving this was just by putting a zip tie around this little cutout area here. And what that does for you is that when you hit the door, the button for the recirculation door, it just ends up running into that zip tie ever so slightly to keep it from getting to that clicking point. I know some people are looking at this and they're saying, well, you know, it's not shutting all the way. Well, it's true, but all that's happening is when you're not getting it to completely seal shut when you're actually trying to draw in from air from outside of the car. So this isn't going to hurt anything. It's just not getting a perfect seal on the non-recirculation. For the recirculation, it'll still work just fine. So yeah, that's all you got to do. Grab a zip tie, bend it around before you throw it in there. Tie it around those those 3 posts right there. I have it going through the back there, and that's it. Put it back together. You're all done. Enjoy your quiet truck when you start it. All right, that's all.